Hey guys, it's Jake, and I haven't actually done a video on Animal Crossing in a little while. Just we're going on holiday and all that. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. I don't know how long I'm gonna be playing today. Half an hour maybe, as usual. Let's do this. Haven't played in a little while. Week. A little over a week. So I'm definitely excited about playing. I think gonna be not last Saturday, but the Saturday before. I don't know. I don't know if the day before we went on holidays or what. Yeah, I actually played a this Fogs game demo with Rapunzel. Oh, 3 leaf tickets. Maintenance notice. Okay. Great. SOU. SOU. Great. Wow, I'm just getting bombarded with stuff today. Jeez. Okay. Ooh, gyroids are here to collect. Gonna be picking these up everywhere. Oh my god, so much things to do. Probably go to my campsite, just to talk with all my animals. Okay, collect some cool scoops gyroid. Mariner's anchor. Yes, I love getting mariner's anchors. Okay. Okay, not right now. Geez, there's a lot of stuff to do. Awesome. Okay, let's go. And then I'll invite Tank to my campsite. Don't know if we'll actually have him there. But like whatever. I have a lot of leaf tickets to spend. Yeah, it's just life in Animal Crossing. Ooh hoo hoo. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get started. Here we go. Ooh. Interesting, cute. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I forget whose levels are actually upgraded with this. I think Shari and Rosie, or were they already done? I don't know. Okay. Girls, I know I need to invite tanks to my campsite. Good news, it's almost lunchtime. Not really. It's about like a few hours till lunchtime. Personally, we have lunch around like 2, but like sometimes at 1. Depends on what we're doing. Today, we're just kind of sitting around and relaxing. No crazy things are going on today yet. 500 bells from Goldie. I have a lot of bells. Oh my god, I have a lot of bells. Jeez. How will I spend them? Yeah, I want to see something here. I just saw these maps. Okay, someone's sleeping. This. Can I insta clear this? Cannot clear this map. Come on, That's. Do you know how much? I need 30,000 bells for this as well. Like, what the hell? How much for this? 3 elliptic. You know, yeah, no, I don't feel like doing it right now. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it or not. Social. Wait, no. I thought social would be to do with contacts, but no. Yeah, let's go. I actually like that the person you are available to invite to your campsite is at the top of the roster of characters. That's pretty cool. I always wanted Roscoe, but I never got him. I think I got him on my old save, and I had him up to like level 14. That was awesome. That was a long time ago. Since then, you know, that's yeah. I think I cracked my phone or did something to it. Now I got another one. Yes, now time to visit my campsite anytime. 30 to 31. I got 31 people on my campsite. That's awesome. Full up. Kerpow. I'm so sorry, Chank. But I don't want you stabbing people with your horn. Oh my god. Who am I? Zell's aquarium cookie. Zell looks absolute. I actually like that. I like the aquarium cookie. That's awesome. But fortune cookies are very expensive. Wow. Okay, let's talk to some animals. Butch. Howdy. You feeling vigorous today? Full of good humor? Let's talk, Butchie. I just remembered I had something for you. I've been carrying it around for way too long. Don't worry, I'm not talking about the pack of gummy bears that's been in my pocket for 8 months. 8? Why would you have a packet of gummy bears in your pocket for 8 months? I mean, like, why don't you just take them out and eat them? You know, you just wasted them. That's what I would have done. And I'm not one of those people who just like eats all around me either. You know, or at least I give them to Rapunzel. You know, because she really needs that right now. You know, she's going into her late stages of pregnancy. You know, or at least I think she is. Yeah, in like 3 months, she won't be pregnant anymore. So yeah, this is a new experience for all of us, I guess. Rapunzel hasn't even given birth before. Oh my god. And who knows if you might do it again. No, Shreve, I want to talk to Rosie. Finally, I can level you up more, Rosie. I forgot. I never listened to the conversation. I'm going to predict its. Yeah, I didn't think Yuka would really go for that. Was it Yuka? I think it was. I think I recognize Yuka because like I got him from a map. Okay, that's all of my duties here at the campsite. Now I have to go to the cabin. Ooh, pop the balloons. Ooh, Jesus is there. I haven't met him. I can easily get some level up out of him. Hit octopus and a horse mackerel, I think that it was. Yeah, that's the only thing I've got for anyone. Or why can't I deliver to anyone else? I don't know. Alright, let's go to my cabin. What are all of these peeps there? So excited for level 50 because I'll get the second floor of my cabin. I can't believe it. Like, it's awesome. I really want it. Subscribe for more Animal Crossing videos, guys, so I can get my second floor of my cabin. That's the latest. When animals are actually in their cabin, like you can actually upgrade them more than they would be when they're just, you know, in Breezy Hollow or something. I actually forgot who's my animal. The first animal, because like I could pick if I was like a cool guy or a sporty guy or something, and that would depend like on which animal. I think that certain animals were Apollo, Filbert, Rosie, Jay. Apollo, Filbert, Rosie, Jay, and Goldie. Yeah, okay, that's everything. Oh, maybe I can go to my second floor. Oh no. What a waste. What a waste. Okay. Is anyone else locked? I remember get Ketchup. I think I had met him and got him out to level 7 like in the last video. Do I have any gold trades? I don't think I do. I'm gonna get butter my campsite actually. That'd be pretty cool. Cream soda. Okay. Let's do it. 1 hour. 1 hour to get a freaking cream soda? I swear to God. Cyrus. You're just a lazy bum. 1 hour. What for? I bet it won't even be that good. Just waiting 1 hour for this thing. Okay. Beach chair. Can craft right. I have 46 cotton. That's a lot. Craft around 3 hours. I'll be constantly crafting for you guys. It's good. Okay. I want to get bored of my campsite. Next video. Portable toilet. Why do I feel like I should have that? You know what? I'm just gonna get it right now. I don't feel like waiting and going back to the crafting stuff, and it's only 8 anyway. I have like 200 leave tickets. Okay. God, like look. Oh, but 10. So I can't find any animals that are actually like locked levels. I thought I had a lot of them, but apparently not. Let's go to Mira. Oh man, another newbie, new time, Mira. Yay. Whatever I'll be playing in one video and actually the animals change. And that was a great setup for animals, like all of them were new animals, and then didn't get to meet any of them because they changed, right? And then they're all ones I've met before, and I'd be like so sad. There's a gyroid there. Oh yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Mira. Top of the morning to you, laddie. No, have us no freak you. Freak you. Okay. Have a snack. That was what I was supposed to press. Let's give her all 8 of my bronze treats. I'm running out of treats actually. How much? Please tell me I got just at least level 5. Yeah, okay. 8 bronze treats is like the equivalent of a gold treat. And 6 hip essences and 9 wood. So that's good. Getting some materials there. Thank you. I'm running out of crafting materials though. It's sad. Actually, maybe okay. Daily goals. Okay. I'll get 1 silver tree, a river throne net. Great. Go to Lost Lure Creek. Okay, catch a fish. That'll give me a silver trees because I need them. Running low. Actually, if I go to Gulliver's place, he's load everything onto my ship. You know, I could get I think you get like some treats from that, a good bunch, you know, from doing all of that. But it used to be easier back in the day because I didn't know what the materials were for. I didn't know I could actually craft with them. When I found that out, I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna be loading on fruit. I don't want to load on. I don't want to load on furniture either. Okay, that's priceless. I don't want to give away my furniture. I want to give away something that my animal wants, and then they just like disappear from my campsite. That'd be so sad. Ooh, perfect cherry. They're pink. Oh no, perfect grape. How did I get those mixed up? I never knew there was like purple grapes. Yeah. Okay, pears. You're gonna get missed. Yeah, pears. Okay, mailbox. Marina's anchor. Got it. Okay, got Marina's anchor. Okay, sparkle stones. Ooh, lit ticket. Wait, so if I collect Gyro to get Marina's anchor, if I get Marina's anchor, I get these bells and stuff. Okay. More stuff in my mailbox. I don't know what sparkling stones are even for. I don't know if they're for crafting or anything. What can I do for ya, amigo? I don't know. Cleo. I'm actually really glad because like sometimes they don't say their name in that sentence. They won't even like. What do you think would make the best present for him? And they won't even say the name. But I saw the name. So, I'm missing a flat display case. I don't really know that much about Cleo. I haven't even met Cleo. That's not fair. I feel like, yeah, Cleo's weird eyes. Okay. I guessed with this one. I didn't think she'd like anything about food. Or anything kitty. I have 11 pairs. I'm stacking up on fruit. And I'm okay about giving them to animals just because, you know, I'm nice. Think about Rapunzel. And also I get, bells and, materials. You know, I need those things. I don't only collect fruit to load onto the ships. I can collect fish, bugs, and seashells as well. So it's great. Alright, thank you, whoever your name is. I forgot. Wait, another favor? Okay. Isn't this my fourth one? I don't know. Am I hallucinating? No, you're not. This is real world. Well, this is awesome. Thanks. Okay, you only have to level 6. That's awesome. Next time I meet her, like, there's like over 100 animals. So like, there's only like 4 locations. Great, and Jitters is new as well. I'll give him 3 silver treats. How much treats to give Ketchup? I don't know. Could have been 6. I'm gonna give Jitters 3. Just so I can give 3 to Cleo because he's only like at level 1. Gonna collect these. There's like a lot. There's like a stretch goal about collecting seashells. Great. I like the goals. They're like challenges, you know, every day. Every day is something new in Animal Crossing. Okay. I'm gonna catch this. Yeah. He looks big. Fishing journey's still not on, right? Is it? No, it's not. Catch a fish. Yeah, I did that. Halfway there, the stuff treats. Catch a black bass. Catch 10 fish. Black bass collecting. Obtain 2 of them. Can't you just say collect 2 black basses? Complete 5 requests for visiting animals. Yeah, I do that. Usually. 500 bells. Okay. Jitters. Stretching his good old legs. Okay, let's just catch some fish, you know. For daily challenges today, there's fish related ones, and sometimes it'll be bugs and fruit. I don't really know about seashells. Octopus. Coconuts aren't actually fruit, but like they count as well, you know. And I love to see perfect ones because they are 2 points instead of 1. I don't know if that I have enough to go on the ship yet. I could have, but maybe wait. Oh no! I could have got that one. I don't really feel like standing around here and collecting fish all day. It's not that much. That's not really good to watch. Okay. Sup, jitters. Jitters. Jitter. You road tripping too? No, not really. Just going around the area, you know, saying hello to my animals. You're new here. Welcome to the world of Animal Crossing. Is this like an island? No. I don't know. I don't get this game. Who cares? Have a snack. I can't believe I'd be running low on treats. So sad. I don't think I'm gonna get them to level 5, but I think level 4. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Great. 600 bells. Okay, level 4, that's a goal for today. Actually, maybe I can move to level 6 here, actually. I might. These favors might go up to him up to level 6. It's great. It's always great. You know, now when I meet an animal that I've only met once, he's up to level 5, like, instantly. So I don't really meet any animals. The animals I've met before are usually at, like, over level 5. You know, except, like, Butch, I got moved to level 2.5, which is really annoying. Because I had everything for him, I just need to meet him again. I didn't want to spend my calling card on him, because, like, you know, I only had to get him a half a level. I kind of wanted just to wait. I wanted to call in and someone different. I called him Ketchup. God damn it, this is... Yeah, bud! Actually, wait, maybe you wouldn't like that. Okay, Butch likes exercising. Great. I was just talking about Butch. That's weird. Is it weird? You can now change Jerry's hats, clothes, and yeah. Okay, you can always talk. No, let's talk. Need some help? It's like a life or death situation. It's like, it's like, you can also talk to me. Oh yeah, dude, I would like some seashells. Sprinkle stone mat, that's a bonus. Thanks. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Jitters. Wait, oh. The tree does not have coconuts on it. Have I collected coconuts in these trees before? Maybe I have. This is one. No. Damn it. Okay, let's see this map that we got. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. No. This. These for all 10,000. How? No way. I don't even know what Sparkle Stones are, and I'm risking those leaf tickets. No way. No way, Jose. Okay. Ooh, ooh. Not passing on this great opportunity. Catch 10 fish. Okay. And then we're a black bass. Damn it. Whatever. I have not met Tia before. Damn it. Yeah, let's okay. I need to get more treats, okay? You know, look at this. They take a map, okay, Jeremiah's map. Where are all the treats? Oh no, no treats. Alright, I'm just gonna load on everything I have right now. I don't really care, I just wanna load everything in. I really want tiger butterfly? They're really common, right? I should probably have more of them. Well, I don't. Wait, okay. Let's keep them. Okay, well, I'm leaving them there, I guess. 12 apples, 19 oranges, 10 pears, 16 peaches, 13 cherries, 16 coconuts, and 28 grapes. Why does it have a tick on it? Whatever, I'm just gonna go to Tia and just, you know, level her up. The 3 silver treats. Have I met Tia before? No, I haven't. Disappointing. Is there gonna be like any more islands for me to sail to next? Because actually, I like doing that. You know, I like more. I like it. Okay, no, okay. I'm gonna catch the bug first. I wanna do those stretch goals. You know, wanna get those eventually. Ooh, yeah. Sparkle stones. Yes, I want to get 3 lift tickets. That'd be nice. Yes, catching some bugs. Oh, it's so nice. We have gold over there. Couple of more yet. We can't go out on the pier. Oh, never mind. I'd love to go out on the pier, you know. That would be nice. Is that how actually, yes, that's probably how I got over here, you know? Maybe go over in a boat. How's my van there? My van. My van. No, damn it. No. Yeah, it's like a teapot. I can see that. Have a snack. I brought you something. Tell ya. I've no treats now. Gone are the days where I can just like instantly level up these animals. So young. So young. I don't have an octopus, so yeah. Why do I always give away the rare things? Both times I gave away an octopus, it was the wrong thing to do. Elegant essence and steel. Okay, it's great. Yeah, level 44. Okay, in-depth analysis of what I got. 10 leaf tickets and 1,000 bells. Aurora and Carlton. No clue what these animals are. I'm just getting animals. I have no clue. Okay, I've got a cactus, like a food stand, a sofa, a bed, table, all that stuff. It doesn't tell. That told me what the hell the items are actually called, but no. 201 leaf tickets, 50,000 bells. That's great. Damn it! Okay, the final place. Lost Lure Creek. From the mine of Filbert. Donuts, hot dogs, pies, cake. Ah! Why can't I stop thinking about food? Oh, I have to go to Lost Lure Creek for my daily goals. Okay. Oh, I got myself a treat now. Hooray! I love life. I'm gonna give that to Cleo then. There's more stuff here. 1.5 thousand bells and silver treats. Silver treats in a box. The gold treats are like the best chocolates ever, but the bronze treats are just like mediocre chocolate. Like okay chocolates, I guess. Silver treats, they're good. You know, they're not as good as gold treats. Oh, that was not a tree. Okay. I get 2 more for the goal to be complete. Please tell me there's 1 more. Probably not. Okay, let's just get this fruit. This fruit. Do I have 30 grapes now? That's so much. Oh my god. Okay, next time when I'm gonna be boarding on stuff, if I am gonna do that anymore, I'm gonna load on the grapes first. Because I have too much grapes. No one really seems to be asking for them as well, I think. That's why I have so much. God, Jesus. Three apples, 3 oranges, 2 coconuts, 30 grapes, 2 perfect oranges, 1 perfect cherry, 1 perfect grape. Oh yeah, I didn't use them. What is the freaking point? Am I right? Oh man. Okay. What do I do? Oh, I have to go over to Cleo. And, oh! Ooh hoo hoo! I swear that was not there. Mariner's Anchor. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. I have to get 10 more of them. I'll do that tomorrow, because, 19 hours left? Damn it. Too bad. If I get 10 more gyroids, I will, get a Mariner's Anchor, get 3 leaf tickets. Get 300 bells. And get a racial this thing. Look at these. Gulliver statue. I want that, but I won't be getting it. Cleo! Top of the morning to ya. How thoughtful of you. Oh, that's so nice. How thoughtful of you. Oh, yeah, honey. Oh, you're so great. I love you so much. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna get the silver tree to Cleo. How thoughtful of me. How nice. Thank you. Cleo is civic. Sugar. Hello, sugar. I love ya, sugar. How much points are for like the silver trees? Can you load them on? I wouldn't do that, of course. Because I don't even have any of them. That's the point I use them for. Will I be able to get Cleo up to a high level, really? That's pretty surprising. Oh, a lot of options are. Here you go, let's talk. Goodbye. See, sometimes when I don't have that much materials, I just like load all my, my materials. Wow. No, I didn't have that much fruit because like I loaded ships, loaded stuff on the ships more because like I just use my materials. I wouldn't load them all in because like in just case they were useful. I don't know how. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. And I'm Cousin Bubblegum. Don't forget to subscribe for more Animal Cousin Bubblegum. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.